Hi, my name's Garrett Hart. I'm a staff member here at Lakefield College School. We're standing in what's called the Grove, which is the original sugar bush here on Lakefield College School. Nights that are below zero and daytime temperatures are above zero start the process of that sap moving from the roots and up through the trees. So what we do is we take our drill, we drill in on a slight upward angle, and then we tap in, tapping trees. We put a spile, so a little plastic spile here that has a shaft that goes into the tree with an open end and a little spout where it comes out here. Our normal yield on a day, this is a 3-gallon bucket, is usually between 1/2 and 3/4 of a pail per day per tap. The common rule of thumb for the tapping is that what we need is 40 pails of sap in order to make 1 pail of syrup. The maple syrup program, we really try to incorporate a lot of elements that they would have in other classes. So we talk about, from a biological perspective, we talk about this area, the geography, the mixed forests where we find sugar maples and red maples that we tap. We talk about the First Nations perspective and how they were the first people that collected and processed maple sap. We talk about the early history of the school and how there has been tapping of maple trees at the college throughout its history. And we can also talk about, from a science perspective, the chemistry. So we get kids using the tools of chemistry from the classroom and putting it into real life application. So we're using hydrometers and thermometers and refractometers to make sure that to understand what our sap concentrations are, and the sugar in our final product is exactly 66%, so that we have a great product that we can offer to the community. This program really, part of it is trying to spark interest in students. So, we do have students that have never used a drill and get an opportunity to tap a maple tree and use a drill for the first time. We have kids that have never maybe cooked much on their own or experienced sort of those non-academic parts of school. And I think the maple syrup program really allows kids to sort of put some of that into practical use.